The people flying into Davos on private jets to talk about inequality landed on 700 private jets this January. Not a joke. That actually happened. And as you know that the gap between the rich and everyone else has been growing for decades. But 2026 is different. The gap stopped growing. It fractured. Oxfam released numbers this year that are hard to sit with. The 10 richest people on the planet now own more wealth than the bottom 40% of humanity combined. The World Inequality Lab found that since 2020, for every single dollar of new wealth created on this planet, 54 cents went to 1%, top 1%, and rest of us split 46 cents. Now here's what makes 2026 different from every other year this conversation has happened. The same elites championing worker dignity, climate justice, and social equity are the ones building the automation tools replacing those workers. They host the panels, they give the TED Talks, they post the Instagram infographics, and then they go back to a boardroom and sign off on replacing their most diverse entry-level workforce with the software subscription. In the UK right now, workers at the bottom of the pay scale are earning less in real terms than they were in 2008. 18 years, and during these 18 years, CEO pay in the same period went up 400%. In India, the Noida workers who protested this month got a 3-tier minimum wage system as a response. That was just a policy tweak, not a structural fix. And here's the thing nobody says out loud. When billionaires start talking about giving you a basic income, it's not generosity. It is insurance. Insurance against the moment you realize your labor is the only leverage you ever had. And this is not a left versus right story at all, but a class coherence story. And the fracture is no longer slow. Tell one person who needs to hear this and then ask yourself who actually benefits from you staying confused about it.